Hey guys, so it's late night like always in all my other videos. So right now I'm gonna show you my 3D printed weapons. So first of all, I'll show you how to use them. Show you how I make them. So it's just it's like a 3D printer pen. You can build anything you want. You just gotta have this plastic stuff for it. See, looks like this. You just stick it into the top and it works. Yeah, and then I just went around the sides and made it hard and sharp. So I'm gonna show you my those now. Wait, let me sit down somewhere. Where to? Okay, guys, so here we go. I'm gonna show you my first one I've ever made. So it looks like a fidget spinner one. I like this one. It's more durable, and I like how it's got silver sides and it's all black like that. Okay, my next one. I mean, not that one. This one. So this is like brass knuckles. Just stick them on your fingers like this. You can punch, and it's got and I put devil eyes on it, so it looks creepy. Okay, and then here's my gold one. This one is my second favorite. The black one is my first favorite though. I like this one because it's gold, and it's like a ninja star shuriken. It's got another side that's gray. And this is I don't really like this one. I just made it for fun. What's this? So it's like some ninja stars you've seen. It's like the kind with all the blades on it. But then I've got this one. Yeah, guys. So those are those, and yeah, bye. And I will make more videos and about Lego fidget spinners and a bunch of other weird crap that I get. But I will, and if I see any of you guys at the store and I'm filming or something, I'll give you a shout out. Okay, I'll give you a shout out. And yeah, so like, subscribe, and comment below. So bye, guys.